Hello everyone, this is Jan Loos and I'm going to show you how to use my custom token frames. So, you can use several tools. My favorite tool to use is Token Stamp 2. What you do in Token Stamp 2 is you say set custom border and you pick one of the borders, for example brass. Then you say choose image. And I am going to pick my Facebook profile picture for this example. And you scale it until you think it looks correct. But as you can see, here in the top right is the preview of how the download will look like. It doesn't look correct just yet. So what you do is you scale to 0.40. And then you can see that the circle isn't completely filling the frame. So that's why I added a custom mask just for this file. You go set custom mask and you pick the mask that I've included, the custom black and white mask here in the top right bottom. And now you can see that the token frame is correct. Token Stamp 2 adds a standard tint to the token frame, which I don't really want. So you go to this border tint and you change the color. Now the token is finished. As you can see, pretty little token. You can change the borders easily. For example, this one. Download, set custom border. Maybe I want a bit of a theater. Download. And as you can see, we've got all these custom borders. You can also use other tools such as Photoshop or GIMP. They all kind of work the same. There's also a free Photoshop called Photopea. I will add the links in the description of both the video and the pack. But I'm going to show you how to do it in Photoshop. So what you do is you drag one of those token frames in Photoshop. And then you drag your image on top. And you press the OK. You drag the image layer underneath the frame layer here. And you scale it by going to Edit, Transform, Scale. Or something similar in the other programs. You should be able to find it quite easily. And you position it with your mouse like this. Now one last thing you need to do is you need to make a selection to create a mask. So we go to the elliptical marquee tool and we make the circle. We make sure that the circle goes underneath the token frame and then you press the clipping mask button over here. There we go. And then you can save it. Save as copy, save as PNG. And it's all done. Let me call this Jan. And I will show you how it looks. There we go. That's how you create that's how you create cool tokens with the custom token frames. Thank you very much and enjoy the pack.